Here we have this 20 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. Comes with the BMW LED headlights. We've got the black kidney grills in the centre with the black splitter at the bottom, making this front end look very aggressive. Got front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. We've got the 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels, also with the M Sport suspension behind. Black side skirts at the bottom with the black roof rails at the top. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside. Colour coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour coded shark fin antenna up top. Making our way round to the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser at the bottom with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now to open the tailgate, we just press the boot button on the key and the tailgate will automatically open. And as you can see inside, we've got plenty of space for whatever you may need and a cargo net at the side for the accessories. We've also got the parcel shelf that goes back there, and we've got the net that divides to the back seats. To close the boot, we just press the button and the tailgate will automatically close. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the isofix points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the electric windows on the door with the handle just there. Onto the front seats, you can see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the grey stitching. Both of these seats are heated. We've also got the bifold mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock at the rear. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside this vehicle and turning it on. It is a keyless start, so my foot is on the brake. Press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights other than the fuel. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side with the paddle shift, and we've also got the volume button and the digital trip with the paddle shift on the right hand side. So if you just press these three lines here, you'll be able to see on screen there that it changes for the functions, so you can have the news, radio, etc. Now we've also got the satellite navigation on the centre here. The screen will be flickering, and that's just for the purpose of the video. This does not happen in real life. We've also got the Bluetooth media and DAB radio. We've also got the Bluetooth phone connectivity. If we just go back to the home screen, and if we just go down to car, into settings and into interior lighting, you can change the colour of the ambient lighting. At the moment it's set as purple, and as you can see it runs across the dashboard and into the doors. If we go back to the home screen and go down to apps, you'll be able to see that this vehicle comes with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also we've got other apps that are already installed on this vehicle as well. Onto the home screen, I'm just going to go back down here. You can see we've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides, heated rear window with the air conditioning there. We've also got this little space here, so if you just pop that up, we've got the cup holders with a little space for your phone or keys. We've got the automatic gearbox here with the different drive modes, and we've also got the dial and the manual functions for the screen. If we just press the different drive modes here, comes up on screen the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. Back to the home screen and back down here. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse. You'll be able to see we've got the sensors on the right hand side, and we've also got the camera with the guidelines on the left. Popping it back into neutral, making this vehicle safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. On the multifunctional steering wheel in front of me, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've also got the volume button with the paddle shift on the right hand side. So if you want to drive this car manually, you can use the paddle shifts going up and down the gears. Now I've just had to brake here as there's a car parked up on the left hand side, and the brakes feel very sharp and responsive. As I accelerate away, we're going through the gears very seamlessly on this automatic gearbox. We've got the satellite navigation in the centre with all the other functions in which this vehicle has got, which you will have seen on the website. We've also got the air conditioning with the dual climate control and the heated seats on both front seats. All black leather seats here on the front and the rear. Very comfortable. You could probably do 300-400 miles and still get out of this vehicle feeling pretty fresh. We've also got the dial with the manual functions for the screen in the center here with the sport mode, different drive mode, sorry. And we've also got the safety, individual safety here in the center, so that if somebody jumps out in front of you or a car pulls out, then it will automatically brake, which makes this car very safe all round. Now I'm just going to take a right hand turn into the industrial estate where I'll perform an emergency stop. So in 3, 2 and 1, onto the brakes hard. Into reverse, you can see we've got the sensors and the camera just there. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if you've got any other queries or questions on this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.